Hi guys, Mrs. Dink here, and I'm going to talk to you about connecting your Tello drone to your Droneblocks program so that you can execute it. Okay, so here's the Tello drone. Here's one. I have T2 as well, and notice that there's a battery in the back, and that battery can pop in and out. All of my batteries are numbered, so you know which one you use, and if one gets low, you want to make sure you put it on a battery or in a pack that is charged, and make sure it's not the same number is what I'm saying. Okay, and if you notice also there's some input. There's actually a micro USB right there, USD, and then on the other side there's this little button. Okay, can you see that? Yep, right there. Camera's in the front. Yes, it does have a camera. Notice no gimbal, so you have to turn the device. Okay, so to turn it on your internet, okay, to connect this Tello to your computer in a LAN connection, because we learned about LAN, you have to turn this on. Notice that you get this little blinky here. See how you get this little blinky light? That means it's looking. Okay. Then you're going to open your Droneblocks. You're going to go up to where your Wi-Fi, looks like the upside down tornado, the Wi-Fi sign is. You're going to pull that down and look for Tello. When you do that, you're going to connect to that. And then you're going to click connect on your program. And I'm going to move to that step next so you can see that as well. All right, time for phase 2. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to finalize the connection of your Tello drone that we just looked at to your actual program that you've created. Okay, so things to remember: you turned on your Tello drone, you got a little flashy light, you went up to your Wi-Fi just like this, saw the Tello. I think that's well, that's not it. Let's get there. Let's see the Tello. There we go. Saw the Tello. And now we've got a connection. Now we need to connect actually to our program. So you're going to need a blank tab so that you can see your apps. And remember, we went here and downloaded from our web store Droneblocks. So I'm going to open that. And you're going to have a program here, okay? But now what we need to do first is connect to Tello. See it up here in the right? When I click that, it says power up the Tello. Go to your computer's network settings and look for the Tello network. We've done that. Connect it to the Tello network. No password will be required because we're making a LAN connection. Wait a few seconds for that to happen. See, I'm connected there. And then click the connect button. When you click the connect button, the flashing light is going to go from like on off to a flashing green light. And you're going to see information about your Tello, how much battery you have, and the location of, see right now I'm tipping the drone back and forth, and so the yaw, the pitch, and the roll are changing. So when you look at your program and you're ready to execute, you can now set that Tello down and click execute. But make sure you've got to take off in a LAN strategy before you take it off, because the program is running everything here. So if you don't have if you take it off and you don't have a LAN in your program, yeah, your Tello is flying independent of you. So make sure that you have both takeoff and land in your program, and you are ready to go.